This is Pedro from Beyond Vision. What exactly does your company stand for?
The company is a drone manufacturer based in Portugal. We are based in Lisbon actually, and we make the manufacturing of fully autonomous drones as our core business.
And here we see one of these autonomous drones, right?
Yeah, so we are looking at 2.5 hour autonomy, fully autonomous VTOL drone. It is capable of doing some AI on board because it has an AI engine on board, and it is capable of going anywhere at sea, in land, in the desert. So it was designed to be resilient to all kinds of weather and to operate in all kinds of missions, both civil and military.
Beyond Vision is also a member of UAV DACH. Which benefit do you have from this membership?
Well, UAV Dash is, as far as I know, the biggest drone association in Europe, and it's at the heart of the drone business in Europe. So we want to be here because we want to be part of this community, this solid community that is the drone business in Europe.